Hi there, it is Sunday afternoon. We've been to church, all our meetings are over, and we are hungry. And I did not go to the grocery store yesterday. I have not anything in the house to fix quickly. And as hangry as we are, we want something right now. So I don't know what you do at your house when you are really hungry and there's nothing to eat, but at ours, we make waffles. And so they're just so good. And I just want a big old waffle with some fruit on it and maybe a scoop of ice cream, and I want to sit on the couch and I want to watch some TV. We are having a great time in Serbia, but we still live like we did at home. We have busy days and we have slow days, and sometimes we eat healthy meals and sometimes we just make waffles. I keep this little box in the cupboard because it's got my measuring spoons and cups, and they were so hard to read I had to go through and label them. And I couldn't find any new ones over here because they were all in, Chad, what do you call it? The measurements?
In Europe it's metric.
Yeah.
And in the US it's empirical.
Imperial.
Imperial.
Yeah.
Imperial.
So let me show you some of the differences that I've noticed over here. That's the sugar, and it's a little grainer. The granules are a little bigger. And Chad, this is the baking soda, right? Mm-hmm. No, this is the baking powder. This is the baking powder right here. And they come in these little packets like this. And then this is how the baking soda comes, in these packets like that. And at home, our baking soda and baking powder come in containers about the size of this. This is to flavor my water, and it's got some vitamins in it. That has nothing to do with waffles. I'm going to show you this recipe. It is from the Griffiths cookbook, and it is available online at griffithscookbook.com. And Chad and I, we make the full recipe for the two of us because we like a lot of waffles and they can always be heated up later. And then for the syrup, I'll show you when I get to it, but I'm only going to make a fourth of that. I'm going to cut it in half and cut it in half again to make the yummy butter syrup. This recipe is super easy. You need 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs, but I only have 2, and that will do. A 1/2 cup of oil and 2 cups of milk. And just whisk that all together. To make the butter syrup, which is the star of the waffles, I'm cutting my recipe in a fourth because I just want to make enough just for today. But you need 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/4 of a cup of cream, or half and half. Milk is fine, but let me tell you what, the cream and the milk in Serbia is amazing. Because I'm cutting this recipe down so much, I'm just going to put in a clump of butter. That's about what you need. And you know what I feel bad about? I feel bad that all the years that I've been doing my cookbook, I have expected people in Europe to know what a cube of butter is, and our cubes of butter back home are much different than our cubes of butter here. So the measurements are a little different. For this, just put a glob of butter in it. You asked me what I miss back home, and I do miss my gas appliances. So just bring the heat up on this and get it all melded together. Doesn't that look yummy? Cream and butter and sugar. Yeah. So bring that up to a boil and then turn the heat off. And then you can add just a little vanilla, like 1/4 of a teaspoon, a few drops. And what's fun is to add the baking soda. About 1/4 of a teaspoon. And that just makes such a nice frothy syrup for your waffle. Look how pretty that is. Oh, yeah. So Chad and I bought a waffle maker as soon after we got here, and we realized we needed 2 waffle irons because we like to invite the missionaries over sometimes, so we won't be needing the second one today. But
we've got 2.
yeah. And Chad is my waffle maker.
Spray on this here. It's not going to work.
What'd you do?
You didn't have enough to cover both of them.
Well, you do one in one and one in another. I'm not telling you how to make your waffles, Chad.
Well, this was different. They're not the same size as the other one.
No, it doesn't hold as much as the other one, does it? But we put it out here because we thought it was cute. Now we're going to have to clean up a mess.
No.
Okay. Yep. I think you misjudged that one, Chad.
Oh dear. It's sick on both sides.
Yep.
Yep.
All right.
Not too bad looking.
No, not at all. Okay, folks, it went from buttermilk syrup to caramel real fast because I didn't pull it off of the heat, and these stoves stay hot when you turn them off. So I've got...
Okay, now you're still on the...
Yeah, yep. It's caramel, but dang, that looks good. Oh, we're just gonna put some fruit on here. And their raspberries are amazing over here. Just amazing. So we're not, we're having dessert for lunch. You know what we need on this?
Whipping cream.
Whipping cream. And I don't know if we've got enough whipping cream, but you know what else I've got?
Oh, okay, forget the whipping cream and go get the ice cream.
The ice cream? Yep, this is gone.
Yeah, that's gone.
So tell them about our ice cream here.
Well, we found one brand of vanilla ice cream that we really like.
Man, that's good.
And it's called Bourbon Vanilla. And it really is creamy and tasty and just, I really, really like
Well, I
it.
don't even know, is it ice cream or is it gelato?
Yeah, it's ice cream.
Oh.
And I think the bigger the scoop, the better it tastes.
Well, we're going to have a couple of these,
Yeah,
Chad.
I don't know why, but the bigger the scoop, the better it tastes.
Maybe you need some caramel on it. Just a little more. Okay, I want you to be honest now.
Okay.
Tell everybody what you think.
Well, I have to be honest. I've got my church clothes on.
That was a big bite. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The
Honestly speaking, she's right. It was way too big of a bite. But that is just absolutely incredible.
well, I think
Between the ice cream,
Yeah.
that bourbon flavored ice cream, the caramel syrup,
the
Yeah.
accidental caramel syrup.
yeah,
Mhm.
and the raspberry and banana mixture is really, really good.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Tell everybody what we're going to do the rest of the day.
Well, we're going to probably spend the rest of the day writing a letter back home to our kids. And we do want to, while we're here and have you captive, you can listen in if you want, but Linda, this is for you. Are you listening, Linda? Are you sitting down? Are
Hey,
you comfortable?
Linda, I wish you were here having a waffle with me.
Yeah, well, we just wanted to say hello to you, Linda, and tell you we love you, tell you we miss you. It was fun talking to you the other day on the phone. We couldn't get the video working, but we'll get that figured out, Linda. But I hope you're enjoying your Sunday as well as we are. And Bonnie has told us all sorts of stories about you calling her and what your plans for Thanksgiving and Christmas.
All the kids are
So,
excited to get together
yeah.
with you.
Yeah, and we just wanted to say hello and hope you're having a good day. All right? All right,
Well,
well,
that's one of the highlights of our
Yeah,
day.
yeah. And what else?
Well, sometimes on Sunday afternoons we will FaceTime one of the kids.
Yeah, one of the kids will call us or we'll call one of them.
But I always write a letter, and at the end of our mission, we are going to take the letters that we write them once a week, and at the end of our mission, we're going to compile and have a book
Yeah,
printed.
take all the letters and bind them into a book.
Yeah, and I always put pictures with them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
So,
that would be a journal of our mission. And then, what else do we do?
we'll obviously take a nap here in a while. Oh, yeah, you can tell your age is increasing with the number of naps that you have to take during.
We don't take them during the week. We're pooped.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see, what else will we do? Clean up, do the dishes, and we'll probably take in a movie.
Or
Well,
Yeah.
and when I say take in a movie, I'm talking about Acorn TV. But it's funny because we finished up. It took us a year to get through Murdoch Mysteries and the Midsummer Murders, and we've let's see, Darby and Dan, or Dan and Darby, or something.
Yeah, we've been starting to watch another one.
And so we're gonna have to, find something different to watch. But we'll get another series that we're interested in, or just start watching Midsummer Murders again. Because it's been a year, I won't remember how they ended.
We always watch on Sunday afternoon Matt's Off-Road Recovery.
Matt's Off-Road Recovery and catch up on today's task.
And the kids is
the other
Bonnie and
kids'
Joel,
videos.
Ellie and Jared, and Julie and Landon, the Drew crew.
Drew crew.
So that is our Sundays. So they Sunday afternoon, it's just, I
Yeah.
live for Sunday afternoons.
And where we fall asleep on the couch watching, it's unpredictable. Whether it's a YouTube video or our Acorn TV.
Yeah. Anyway, well, I hope you enjoyed coming to Waffles with us.
Hurry up and say goodbye. I'm hungry.
We'll talk to you later.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.